guys, today we're going to make an oil-free vegan veggie tempura. We're going to start with our fresh vegetables. Today I'm using a white onion, fresh mushrooms, green peppers, and red peppers. For our batter, we're going to start with 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. You can use either smoked or regular, but smoked is super yummy. Finally, adding 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. For our liquid, we're going to use between 1 to 1 1/4 cup of water, depending on your consistency. Basically, you'll just want to make sure that the batter is runny enough to completely cover your veggie and not too clumpy. We'll then take 3 to 4 cups of Panko crumbs and prepare our baking sheet. You can either lightly spray it with oil, or if you're on the Starch Solution, parchment paper works great. Taking your veggie, you'll want to dip it in the batter, then directly go into the bowl of Panko crumbs. Be sure to cover your veggie completely, and then place it on the baking sheet. One thing to be aware of on the baking sheet is to not overlap our veggies. We want to make sure that they cook evenly. Once our baking sheet is completely full, we're going to bake this at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes, or until our veggies have a light golden color. And I like to serve this with a natural ketchup or with a yummy sweet chili sauce. And here they go into the oven. And as you can see, they turn out beautifully. They are perfect for a weekend appetizer or even a meal when paired with a great salad. I hope you'll find me on Instagram and Facebook and on YouTube. Have a happy day.